So guys, for the first step, you want to find the file they're having a problem with. Now once you find it, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties, and now you want to click on security. And now you want to click on advanced. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change. Now once this comes up, you want to type in your username. If you don't know what your username is, then you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on users. It's now going to be showing your username right here. Mine one is Speed Tutorials. So now we're going to go back. You're going to type in your username right here. For me, I'm going to type in Speed Tutorials. And now after you type your username, you're going to click on check names, which is now going to underline your username. Now you're going to click on OK. And then click on apply. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now once you're on this, you just want to go through everything that comes up here. Make sure that you have under allow, everything is ticked. So full control is ticked. And if you have anything ticked under deny, you want to untick that. So make sure that under allow, next to full control, you want to tick it, which will not tick everything here. You want to do this for every single user that you have. And then click on OK. And then this should not fix your problem.